We all have that same hope. That's why I'm going to send it over to meteorologist Tyler Moore. Tyler, you still have your eye on the tropics.
Yeah, we're still not done with hurricane season just yet, unfortunately. And we do have a couple areas that we're tracking right now. The good news, neither of these are expected to be anything like Ian, but there's still something we're going to keep an eye on the next couple of days as we could see some development. Disturbance 1 is over here near the Bermuda area. Not really concerned about it. It's going to lift off to the north. This down here, this red circle closer to home near the Bahamas, has an 80% chance of developing over the next 5 days, and it can work a little bit closer to home. This is just one model right here. See this highlighted area? That's where the low is going to pass through and then eventually making a turn off to the west. Right now it's not tropical, but it does have the chance to take on some tropical characteristics. We could potentially see a tropical storm near the Bahamas and then working towards the Sunshine State by the mid to late parts of next week. Still several days away, but what we have is a high pressure that's going to build off to our north, and that's going to block this system, pushing it down to the south and moving towards us. Again, we're going to see rain and wind from this system. The timing and the details are still up in the air right now, but we'll have the latest over the next couple days.